welcome back. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So let's just get into it. It is Wednesday, February 24th, after hours in the market, and I want to talk about Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL. It is currently at $1.58 after hours, as you can see here, up 15% during regular hours and up another almost 9% after hours to $1.57. Now, I did give you guys Sndl back on January 4th. This only has 492 views, but I did give it to you guys at 47 cents. Okay, so 47 cents I gave you guys Sndl, and I said it was a stock that was absolutely a must watch in 2021. And here we are today at $1.58, like I said. So I just want to give you guys an update, a few catalysts regarding Sndl, and why I still believe in Sundial Growers. So let's just get into it. If you don't know about Sundial Growers, Canadian-based cannabis company, they were really focused on the wholesale side for quite some time, and have really started to begin their retail selling and just their retail side of their business. Like I've said in previous videos, business metrics not very strong, financials not very strong as well. But I wanted to talk about a catalyst, specifically Sundial and Indiva, announcing a closing of a $22 million strategic investment. And this includes a brokered private placement for 25 million shares of Indiva stock. And it also covers $11 million in gross proceeds and then another $11 million in secured non-revolving term loan facility. All right, so essentially this has Sundial as the sole subscriber in the private placement and the sole lender of the loans. And this deal includes an investor rights agreement for Sundial Growers, and it allows Sundial to take part in future equity financings so that it can essentially maintain its ownership in Indiva. Okay, so social media chatter, Reddit chatter, short squeeze sellers just talking about this stock has made this I guess, investment, or this announcement of the investment, definitely a boost to Sndl today. And I think a lot of people on Twitter were talking about this news and it really started to pull this stock back up. All right, so that is one of the big catalysts for today. All right, earlier, Sndl's business metrics and overall just financials have kind of been all over the place, and I know they have been working to restructure their financial, just overall business structure, and a lot of other things, like I said, moving more into the retail space as opposed to the wholesale space what they were in. And then early this year, Sndl did get caught up in the retail craze, the short squeezing, and this stock absolutely did take off. If we take a look at the chart really quickly over the last 3 months, this is stock almost $3. It definitely cleared $3 actually. This stock was around 350 if I can remember correctly. So obviously has dipped quite a bit since then, and a lot of people did make significant money on this stock, obviously selling for profit. But like I said, Sundial took advantage of the short squeezing and stuff like that, and its founding shares were 206 million in September, and then back in January, or actually earlier this month in February, was almost 1,500. So you can just see the difference in the share count, and it's absolutely taken off in just 4 months alone. So the question, I guess, now essentially is, what will the company do with all the cash that they do have? Operations is around 21 million, so they do have quite a bit of cash on hand. So it will be interesting to see where they put the portion, and where they really put their money. I know they've been looking to acquire a couple companies right now. Cannabis grower Zenabis is one, and they have a pretty big business that already existing in Canada, and I think Sundial is looking to enter there. Again, another big possible catalyst is the legalization in the United States, like I've spoken about in other videos. Obviously, if the legalization in United States happens, it could mean big things for Sundial, and for the price it is right now, I mean, this stock could absolutely take off. They already have significant, they have a legitimate business, okay? And I know I've talked about the business metrics not being good, but still they're established. And so, for example, if the legalization happens for cannabis in the United States at the federal level, Sundial could step in and become a major player in the US market, which could do absolutely wonders for their stock. But like I mentioned in previous videos, at the same time, this could also saturate the market and have, I think there's probably hundreds of companies in the United States, just like Sundial growers, ready to go as soon as that legalization happens. So that could also do damage to Sundial. All right. So it will be interesting to see what happens with that catalyst alone, and then also what they decide to do with all their money that they do have. Um, so again, that will be interesting there. And like I said, Sundial, the short squeeze really causes stock to pop off. But if we do look at the volume, I mean, this stock has been trading pretty consistently every single day. I mean, average volume is 605 million, and today 337 million. So a lot of people are in and out of the stock quite a bit, pulling profits. But I think right now there's not immediate potential and a huge growth for Sundial, but as a long-term hold, I do like Sndl quite a bit. I think for right now, we can see this stock. I mean, it's just they have to fix quite a bit of things within the business structure to fully take advantage of the cannabis market. But I think if they do those things and they continue to move how they're moving now, I think we can see the stock exponentially grow. Again, this is not something that I see as a quick profit, but something that you should be looking at and possibly holding for legalization in the United States. All right, so let me know in the comments below if you guys have Sndl. Just wanted to make this video to update you guys about how I'm feeling about Sndl. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notification bell as well, you guys, and let's get after it this week. As always, have a good day.